Hello, welcome to Beau Hannam Guitars and Ukuleles. I just thought I'd talk about this humidifier. Levoit, programmed, you can program it in 5% increments. It has warm mist level and other mist levels, but so if I do more mist, it comes out a lot more. I keep it on 1. The usual humidifier type is this. A couple of tanks or 1 tank with a filter down there. Now the trouble with the filter is that it sucks up water and the air blows through it and it creates more humidity. The trouble with this is, at least in Colorado and I guess other places, it can be so dry, like 10%, that the filter, which is the wick, it doesn't suck up enough moisture to work. But what this does is that it puts out pure steam. I guess it's not really steam because it's not boiling, but it's mist. I don't know how they quite do it, but I just have to fill it up. And when it doesn't have any water in it, that happens. So really easy to fill up. I just fill up a gallon of water. And I take this inside and fill it up each day. And I found this little thing, which is about $90. It does a really good job of keeping my humidity at a nice level. And I have it just below my heater. So when that kicks on, this usually kicks on, and I can show you how to do it. So 60 is the base humidity, and because it's at about 49 now, that it kicks on until it goes to gets to 60. But I keep it at, so that's just beautiful pure mist. Pure mist, is that even a word? But it's there's a lot more humidity that's being put into my workshop than 10 minutes of that thing. So I'll just kick this back to 50. We'll probably turn off because it's already at 49. So when it reaches 50 now, it will turn off. So I found this to be really good. It'd be great if this was hooked up to a water line so I didn't have to fill it, but it doesn't matter, it's just a gallon a day. The ones that you put on the wall that do this, that are hooked up to the water line, they're like $500 to $1,500, not including plumbing and all that. So this is turning out to be really good. I've had it for about a month, and I thought I'd hold out and to do a video on it. But yeah, this is working out good. And this is my workshop is 16 by 25 foot. And I have this on with that. So yeah, I recommend these.